Step back from the city. Step back from the forest. Now step into orbit. From space, nothing is hidden. Forests shrinking, glaciers melting, cities expanding, storm systems forming. This is remote sensing. Remote sensing means collecting environmental data without touching the ground. Satellites measure reflected sunlight, heat radiation, moisture, and even chemical composition. Let's simplify it. Different surfaces reflect light differently. Healthy vegetation reflects specific wavelengths. Dry soil reflects another pattern. Water absorbs more light. Sensors detect these differences. That's how we create environmental maps. Now zoom in. Satellite data can track deforestation in real time, urban heat islands, flood expansion, sea level rise, crop health, air pollution plumes. What once took months of field surveys now takes minutes of processing. This approach builds on foundational work in Earth observation and geospatial science, pioneered by engineers and scientists involved in early satellite missions such as NASA, whose Landsat program transformed how we monitor land use and environmental change globally. Now zoom out. Satellite monitoring is not just scientific curiosity. It informs climate agreements, disaster response, agricultural planning, insurance modeling, national security assessments. When forests are cleared, satellites detect it. When glaciers retreat, satellites measure it. When drought intensifies, satellites quantify it. Data replaces assumption. This is why remote sensing now sits at the center of environmental governance. Organizations like the United Nations, working with global space agencies, and environmental programs such as the United Nations Environment Program, rely on satellite-based indicators to monitor progress toward sustainability targets and climate commitments. Without remote sensing, global monitoring would be impossible at scale. Now here's the critical insight. Satellites don't prevent damage. They reveal it. And when damage is visible, accountability becomes possible. Before we end, zoom out one last time. Remote sensing teaches a powerful lesson. You can't manage what you can't measure. Environmental science has moved from local observation to planetary mapping, because modern environmental challenges operate at global scale. In the next episode, we'll move from monitoring to governance, examining environmental laws and global climate agreements, and how data turns into policy. This series is part of the Learning Studio, where environmental systems are explained through science, technology, and long-term strategy. This isn't about images from space. This is about informed decisions on Earth.